I'm going to try to explain how the process of self inquiry in the East, how they use the elements and understanding consciousness and who we are and what is the true self and what is the reflection of the past and which is the mind. So what I'm going to do is first is explain that we are made of five elements: fire, water, air, space, and earth. So these elements are within you, and water is very important. And what you consume, you become, yeah, in food as well as experiences. And this all has a transaction with the elements within us. Understanding that you are 70% water, let's start there. They see water as you can see water on our planet. It reacts with the moon, gravity, things that we don't quite understand, but there is a pull and push that is going on. And our experiences that we go through, that we call memory, they would probably refer to this as manas, which is the element of water. Now, understanding the past is attached to us like gravity. It's not a matter of choice to get out of it. It's a matter of understanding the laws of this reality and what's going on. If we understand these things, and we'll understand if the water within us is feeling like we're in the middle of an ocean at a storm, we can start trying to still our water. We can become the water. Now, I'm hoping you might see the application of understanding our experience a little bit differently in a way that's more practical and pragmatic. So if we can still the water, you're going to find the next thing is consciousness is the reflection of light, the sun, on the water. And this happens to be the accuracy of what the sun really looks like, which is affected by wind on top, water, things that are blowing past us, how it affects us, as well as the debris in the water. Now, we can work on the debris in the water as well as trying to still our water, and that is meditation. How to do that, this is learning. And you're going to find that fire, which is light, that there's an element of consciousness in the element of fire, as well as fire being the gift of sight and understanding what is knowledge, the ultimate knowledge for us to know in life. The sun itself is to know ourself. And to understand what the self is, you'll realize by experience alone that you are connected to something greater that you may not understand entirely. And there's a lot of joy in understanding this. While our mind, our water of the past, does not have that experience yet, how can we know if we don't have the experience? Yeah. So if we don't have the experience, we can never know. But it's an error in us believing something is not there because we have not experienced it yet. So this path of self-inquiry is asking yourself, have you experienced this? These beliefs that we're having, is it going on right now? And the truth of the now, you'll see, is the accuracy of consciousness in your awareness is past what you believe life is when you start calming yourself to see what your mind believes, what is the past, what is the water, and trying to discern to see the sun as accurately as the sun is. And when you try to focus on consciousness in this way, and you start working on the elements within you, when you get triggered, another element that you are part of is air, that your body has a transaction with air. Even if you don't believe it, try it out. When you get air into your system will stop breathing on its own, and you're going to start commanding it how to breathe, and you will create another rhythm. And even though your mind is upset, the transaction of you having air in you and then breathing out, and the air is not with you. Breathing in, air is part of you, and you breathe out, the air is out. You focus on that, you're going to calm down, and you're going to find that when you're calm, now you'll know this experience. This is more you, even though your mind may be active still. An active mind, feed it, study. An active mind wants information, give it information, but you choose the information you want your mind to consume for a while. And you let your mind chew on that, get to know who you are, get to know your experience, try to understand what truth is not found in the mind. Truth is what is shared with all in the now. Good luck on your journey.